Hey, Rach, funny story. I bumped into Joanna on the street yesterday.
My boss, Joanna?
She asked me if I wanted to get a drink.
You, didn't say yes to that, did you?
No.
Hello, Rachel. What is she doing here? I don't understand. Last time you went out with her, you said she was a big dull dud.
This time, we were able to take the relationship to the next level.
Last time, I almost got fired. You must end it.
It's not like this is an everyday occurrence for me. I mean, usually I'm pretty much just in there by myself.